This is the hand. You understand? This is the hand. It's 13, 10 shots. Can you see my right? It's marketing potential. It is a tourism complex. It's the tourism complex. It's there.
Tourism complex.
Yeah.
Where's Isiago?
Isiago is moving from Onitsha down to Enugu State.
Okay.
You get it before you get to 9th mile, then head straight to Enugu.
The past Oka.
After Oka, move down. Get
I know the road.
It have a tourist complex. It have the right word to use is tourist sites, tourist attractions. You have 3 meters to win cave. You see this 3 meters to win cave. 1 head north, 1 head south. 3 meters each. And when you get in front of that Isiago tourism complex, in front of the cave, you see water flowing from there. It's have so many norms, do's and don'ts. Norms. If you will do this, you continue doing this. If you will do this, you continue doing this. During the olden days, you don't go in there with you don't go in there with a cloth cover your laps like this. You go in there with wrapper. During the olden days, we still, I don't know, for us not to take much time, because we're almost done. When you get to that place, you still see waterfall. Terrible waterfall. When you see it, you will be amazed. You will be surprised. Before the cave, the waterfall is by the left. When you get closer to that place, you see it's flowing down from a hill. And where it flows down, you see it's had a formation, step-by-step formation. I don't know what gives the formation, but I believe it's nature that made it to be so. Then getting down to a place where it is settling, you see, that's where you see the beauty of it. It turns blue in color. Blue in color. That if you have the mind, you can jump in there and you will even want to drink the water. Once you see it. You see half lake. Talked about waterfall. You still have lake. But they call it Henneke Lake. Henneke Lake.
The lake is connected to the waterfall. So.
The waterfall flow from beneath down and flows.
Into the lake.
It connects to, there's one they call Oba Stream. Heneke Lake, waterfall flew to Oba. That's from this to this, and this flew to this. There are so many animals here. You can get crocodile there, you can get fish there.
That be cool.
That's the Heneke Lake.
Wow.
So many animals there. When I make mention of this twin cave, the twin cave, 3-meter twin cave, Oba cave, it is called. Cave is Oba. Cave is Oba. But they just call it 3-meter twin cave. It's a cave.
Who is living in the cave?
There's a lion in there, according to them.
Somebody must be in that cave.
There's a lion, and the lion, that's why the lion protects the whole Ezeago kingdom. That's why they call them Ago in Igbo. Lion in Igbo language is called Ago.
So they are the lion people.
Lion protects their kingdom, their kindred. You understand? So when you want to go in there and hunt, people go there to hunt. That's why I say, when you get in there, you don't wear like shorts. You don't wear anything that covers your lats. You wear either you tie a wrapper and then go there. If you're a woman and you are wearing something that covers your lats, you can give birth to child again. If you are a man, you can't be a man. You're incorrect. Now, when I say norms attached to the cave, there are so many animals there. There's fish, there's crocodile, there's so many animals. When you want to hunt, you get to a point and then you saw a fish, you first of all got the fish, you won't kill any other animal except the fish. If you kill a crocodile, you won't kill any other thing apart from the crocodile. If you kill any animal, that particular animal is what you will be hunting for the day.